Hello guys, welcome to my channel. We have the full up Nike. We're going to open this today, but I will tell you important things. First, you need to go to my eyeglasses is EO. Next, you need to go to my Macho Shack fan. Next, in the third quarter, you will open this Nike. Go first. Go. Find the eyeglasses. Go. Next, the Macho Shack. Okay, now let's open the Nike. It's the Nike like my kuya. We're going to open it and now this will make it this. And this is what a box. It's not. And it's the red and black shoe, like my kuya. I'll show you right now. I'll show you my Nike, but I'll show you first my. We're going to show you my things that I need. I'll show you my kuya's speech. Hold on for me. Show you my kuya's speech. She's the best. And this is my kuya's shoe. See that? See this? Okay, and see the that's also the same. Okay, good. That's my kuya shoes. And we buy that in Nike. We're buying that today. And also, we also buy that. We pay it na. And he have a channel in new shoes. You already see this, guys? This is the look like. Ito, in plastic. Cover. Diba? Next, this is it. And this one is my favorite shoes in the world. But I have no Jordan because the Jordan is too big for me. And like that. I love you. Bye. Bye.